me take a bite. It smells of ghee. It's quite nice. What's up guys? Welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Many of my friends ask me how to lose weight. Should they eat less? For which I always answer, don't eat less. Eat intelligently and eat right. So what is right kind of food? I did some research and found this food joint called bath.in. It's in sector 104 Noida. Now bath.in was started couple of years back by a young lady, Ranjana Srivastava. She is an IAMA alumni and she travels all around India and curates the menu. She believes that the food they serve is the food that loves you back. Actually, what attracted me towards bath.in was their jingle. The jingle goes like this: Hafte mein bas do bar, sehat rakhe barqarar. Now, what is in their menu which will take care of your health? It is khichdi. Yes, you heard it right. It is khichdi. Normally, we think khichdi is eaten something when you're sick. It is easy on your stomach and also gives you enough nutrition and strength. But here, the khichdis are different. This curated menu has got khichdis from different places. So they have a khichdi from Himachal, Haryana, Gujarat and Bengal and many more khichdis. So I've got a packet which contains few varieties of khichdi which bath.in serves. So here is the pack. So you can see the pack here. Let's see what is inside. So you can see a lot of packets inside this pack. These are, if you can see, they are small packs. This is only 300 ml, but when you order, what they serve is 700 ml. Here, just for tasting, I've got small packs. They also have papads. I think papad comes with couple of type of khichdi. There is a spicy chutney, also a green chutney, and these are all khichdis with some dahi. So let's start tasting the khichdi. So we have several containers here with khichdi and its accompaniments. I'm going to taste many khichdi, probably 5 of them. So I've got a small sampler pack. The first khichdi I'm going to try is the Bihari Chokha khichdi. So this Bihari Chokha khichdi has got rice and tur dal, and there is a nice amount of ghee which has gone inside. It is served with a spicy chutney and papad. So without papad or chutney, I am going to take a spoonful of this khichdi and taste it. It has got a nice consistency and it's still warm. So, it's literally melt in the mouth. Hardly any spices, but you can get that hint of that ghee and jeera. That's in the tadka. Extremely creamy and velvety texture. I'm going to take a little bit of this spicy chutney and add to this. So you can see this speck of red chutney, spicy chutney on this Bihari khichdi. Wow, that chutney is really spicy, but it's a great combination. Something which is very bland and creamy with a kick. It's like a mini explosion in your mouth. The spicy chutney. And of course, a piece of papad. This is chokha, which comes with the khichdi. Now, this is a mashed relish. So popular in Bihar. This has got potatoes, tomato, and of course, bengan. It is actually grilled on charcoal or gas and then mashed. So I put little bit of chokha, mixed it in this khichdi, and I'll taste it. Wow. The chokha has got that little bit of heat, but the smoky flavor is the one which hits your tongue when you take the bite. With this rice and tur dal khichdi, Bihari chokha khichdi, this chokha and spicy chutney, it's a deadly combination. I'm sure you will enjoy it if you eat it. The second khichdi I'm going to try is from UP. It is called UP ki Tehri, and we have rice cooked with seasonal vegetables. So you have carrots and a couple of other vegetables, but on the top you can see fried onions and a nice green chili. So the consistency of UP ki Tehri is very different from Bihari chokha khichdi, but this is completely dry like a pulao. Let's take a bite and see whether it tastes different. Here it is. This is cooked in mustard oil and ghee. There are a lot of vegetables like a pulao. So you get to bite into these vegetables. There are a lot of carrots. I think a few pieces of aloo. That is aloo, but not spicy at all. For the spice, they have given me a hari mirch. I'm quite happy with this UP ki Tehri. Very different. I've never tried this khichdi before. The khichdi in front of me is called the Himachali Khichdi. Now, the texture of this khichdi is very different from the UP and the Bihari one. It is in between both. It is not too liquidy. You can see the texture, and the color is also different. So let's taste this Himachali Khichdi and see what's in there. Wow. There is rice and urad dal in this. I can also taste methi. I can also taste, I think, little bit of ginger. So this is very different from the Bihari and UP one because it is mildly spicy. Yes, there is definitely ginger in this. You get to bite these ginger pieces, which is quite nice. It's just not one smooth texture. You also get to bite a couple of pieces here and there. Quite nice. Now we'll go to the next one. Now the next two khichdis are the ones which I had never heard of, and I was really looking forward to tasting them. One is Haleem. Now Haleem, we know, comes from Hyderabad, or Hyderabad is famous for its Haleem, particularly during weddings and Ramadan season. Haleem is a mixture of mashed meat, wheat and pulses which are cooked for a long time, and it becomes a paste-like mixture. Actually, when you eat it, you get instant nourishment, strength, and you get a lot of warmth because of the contents. But now this Haleem is a vegetarian version. Let's see what is in this Hyderabadi Khichdi or Hyderabadi Haleem, vegetarian Haleem. Look at this Haleem. There are fried onions on the top and the color and consistency are different. Quite smooth. The consistency is very creamy, and I'm sure there are soya chunks in this or soya nutrella is in this. So it kind of resembles meat. That's why it's called a Haleem. This Haleem has got a slight sourness. I don't know where the sourness comes from, but there is a sourness, and also you get to bite into small pieces of soya. Yes, it is sour. The fried onions on the top gives it another dimension. Actually, this food is high on taste and kind on your gut. These are very healthy recipes which will give you enough nutrition. Doesn't matter whether you're sick or not, and it will get you going. And they're very, very tasty. The fifth khichdi which I'm going to taste comes from Haryana. And this khichdi certainly looks different because there is no rice in this. It is made of bajra, millet. Bajra khichdi. But that's not the unique thing about this khichdi. Along with this khichdi, you also get a portion of kadhi and that red spicy chutney. So you have bajra khichdi, you have kadhi and that red spicy chutney. It's a very different combination. Probably in any other state you won't get this combination of kadhi and spicy chutney with khichdi. So let's taste the bajra khichdi or the Haryana khichdi. The consistency is like a typical khichdi. There is something very different in this khichdi. Actually, when you taste it, you get a slight sweetness. You can I think taste good in this khichdi. So this is a sweet khichdi. Let me also taste the kadhi. I am not going to mix it with this bajra khichdi. I am going to taste kadhi on its own. Yes, it's quite thick, quite velvety and not too sour. This is good kadhi. So actually when you mix the spicy red chutney and the kadhi with this khichdi, it will become a different dish altogether. That's the fun of it. The bajra khichdi. Khichdi almost became a national dish, or it was almost declared as a national dish a couple of years back. Yes, it is hugely popular, but it's not a national dish yet. But this khichdi it's super tasty because you get to taste different variety and different flavors of khichdi, also different consistency. Yes, top on my list is the Haleem. The second is this Bihari Chokha khichdi, and then this bajra one. Bajra one is very unique. There is no spice at all, but when you mix it with this kadhi and the red chutney, it becomes an entirely different dish. Remember, this food is from bath.in, from sector 104 Noida. I'll give you the number of bath.in right here or in the description below. Do try their khichdi. I hope you have liked this episode with lot of food, that is lot of khichdi. If you have liked it, smash the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, subscribe to it now. The red button is right over here. Also click on the bell button to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Please don't forget to check our website www.chompingchampion.com. It will give you more food stories which are uploaded almost every day. Till the next video, bye. Take care and stay healthy.